I'm Sassy back here and gonna tell you how I got my first boyfriend. Is my mom gonna be alright? I don't know. I don't really know. Okay, I gotta go in the door. I wish the dog could come right now. I gotta call my sisters. Ding ding.
Hey.
Hi, Redbird. Is Redbird next to you?
Yes. Whitebird! Right here.
Okay, put me on speaker, Redbird.
Boom.
So, Mom, you know how she got an accident and I said, everything's gonna be alright, yeah?
Yeah.
No. The doctor came to me and look here, talk to me. She's gonna have surgery for the next 2 weeks. She might die, or if she gets a good thing, like anything bad, she's gonna die. I'm sorry, guys.
Well, I have to go. I have to go cry. Goodbye.
Yeah, I was gonna close by.
No problem.
Thank you. Okay.
Hey,
10 minutes after waiting for the doctor.
hey, I'm sorry for the wait. And, yeah. Excuse me. I have to talk to you. Your
What is wrong with my mom?
Your mother is dying from severe action from
Continue.
Stop blushing on me.
Sorry. I do that when I'm in love.
What? Okay, your mom is getting severe actions from the car crash.
So she's gonna die?
She said.
Why do you do that?
Okay, get off of me. Get off of me. Ow.
Go away. Ugh.
I'm very sorry, but she had to go.
Well, I won't be sorry if... Stay still.
But I'm very feisty if I have a girlfriend. Okay, I'm your girlfriend.
Boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
So that's the story how I got my first boyfriend. Honey. Yes. Are we gonna get married yet? No, don't. Ow. We're not getting married, by the way, because this relationship just got feisty. Bye.